OpenAI is preparing to launch a game-changing new search engine that will rival the likes of Google AI and Perplexity. The model promises to provide fast and clear information from the web in a compact and concise manner, all with reference to relevant and credible sources. As OpenAI puts it, getting answers on the web can take a lot of effort, often requiring multiple attempts to get relevant results. Their new model will streamline this process by combining the efforts of their current AI language model with a new search function, making finding what you're looking for faster and easier. So, how will it work? Simply type in your query, like in this example, "Find music festivals in 2024." The results will appear in a concise format with links to credible sources for more information, instead of just throwing links at you with no context. You can then ask follow-up questions to further your discussion. This tool is currently in its prototype stage, but OpenAI has plans to integrate the software, once fine-tuned, directly into their regular platform for easy use. This is a huge step forward for the platform in allowing users to ensure that the information they take from ChatGPT is credible and factual. If you would like to try this tool out for yourself, they are currently accepting people to trial the technology on a waitlist. Other AI search tools like Perplexity have sparked controversy by diverting traffic away from websites that typically receive visitors from general searches. These tools provide information directly, bypassing the need to visit the original content creators' sites, which in turn reduces their ad revenue. SearchGPT, however, is looking to combat this by partnering with publishers and sharing profits, already cementing a partnership with online journals such as The Atlantic and News Corp, who recognize that AI search is going to become one of the key ways that people navigate the internet, and it's crucial in these early days that the technology is built in a way that values, respects, and protects journalism and publishers. It is clear that OpenAI's new search engine is the future of gathering clear and accurate information. So will you try it out?